Hey friends, if you wish to install DirectX 12 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open your browser and search for DirectX 12 and hit enter. Okay. Now there are many versions of DirectX. You'll have to scroll down. If it's Bing, you will get the link directly. Otherwise, it would be the first link. Okay, click on download if it's Bing, or if it is the Microsoft Edge browser, choose your language and click on download, and then click on the exe file. I accept the agreement. Next. I don't want to install the Bing bar. Next. And it will start installing the DirectX components, which will include DirectX 12. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.